Hey, it's Pippin, and in today's tutorial we are going to discuss together time opposite direction extensions with mini hoops. Let's get started. I've had a lot of questions about timing and direction, so I'd like to refer everybody to the Vulcan Tech Gospel app. It's excellent and very comprehensive. Make sure to really stretch out your shoulders and stretch out your wrists and arms as well before you begin this move. It can be a little tricky on your shoulders, just make sure you take care of your body. Our right hand is holding the blue hoop and our left hand is holding the orange hoop. The prerequisite move in both directions is going to be the basic extension and wall plane. If you need help with this, I have a detailed tutorial for both hands in my split op extensions tutorial on my YouTube channel. As always, before we really get into the nitty-gritty of the move with hoops, we're going to practice our hand pass. Start out with your hands at the sides and slowly move them up towards 12 o'clock. Notice how your wrists are over one another at 12 o'clock but under one another at 6, and practice this until it feels good and like second nature. Alright, now when you're all stretched out and have the prerequisite move in both hands, you're going to put everything together. So we're going to start out with our hands at the sides and slowly move up towards 12 o'clock, and then pause right here. Make sure your hoops are still in the proper plane before moving down to pause at 6 o'clock. Once you feel really good and comfortable with this, you'll be able to increase your speed and it'll look nice and smooth. Thank you so much for tuning in to another one of my Tuesday quarantine tutorials. If you have any questions, comments, and concerns, please feel free to hit me up. I'd love to help you out. You guys have a wonderful day and happy hooping.